How to post your edited videos from CapCut. Firstly, open CapCut application on your device. In your CapCut app, make sure that you have imported the video and have already edited the video. You can select any of your existing project to export. Just to show you guys, I'm gonna click on a random project. Now you will land to this kind of interface. At the top right corner, you will see your export option. Click on the export button. Now the video will start to export. Once the whole export process has been done, you will see this interface. Here you will see different kind of social media platforms. For example, you can share it directly to your Instagram, add it to your Instagram story, use YouTube, WhatsApp, Facebook and others. Now I'm just gonna click on others to show you more apps option. Here you can go to WhatsApp or Drive. If you click on the more option, then you will see other application that you can share it to. So it is that easy to directly share your CapCut videos. If you don't want to do this, then you can share it from your gallery. Once exported, the video will get automatically saved on your gallery. Now using your gallery, you can share this video to your desired social media platforms. That's all for today. Thank you.